maps, don't you?
When they're around here and we're looking at them in depth, like the Borrega fire, we can see that one on satellite imagery. This is also the time of year that down south of us, Central America, Mexico, they have a bunch of agricultural burning that happens in April and May. And when we have these stretches of a lot of southeast winds, some of that smoke will come right up into Texas. We can track that with our smoke tracking product here. You see all of the little fire icons down in the Yucatan in Mexico and in Central America. When we get these high pressure features over to our east, it funnels the wind right up into Texas and it catches on to some of that smoke, and we get the hazier looking skies when this happens. So if you've noticed that little haze in the atmosphere, you can see it kind of off in the distance. That's that smoke from the agricultural burning happening in Mexico. Skies aren't crystal clear blue when the skies are not cloudy out there, and that's again that haze that's coming in. 84 degrees, the southeast wind at 23 miles per hour, 70s at the coast. Everyone else in the 80s, as warm as 88 degrees over in Alice. You can actually see the sea breeze front kick in, moving some of the cloud coverage inland earlier today. Now a lot more places catching on to some sunshine. Pretty warm out there, mid to upper 80s throughout the region. Watching some storms fire off the Sierra Madres in Mexico. These probably won't even make it to the Rio Grande before falling apart. Not worried about those storms. We're continuing to watch the big upper level disturbance out in the Pacific Ocean, now starting to get closer to California, but that's the feature that's going to be responsible for dropping a weak cold front down here early next week. It'll be windy over the weekend. This low pressure feature deepening and strengthening in the southern plains. That is going to be why it turns windy tomorrow and stays windy on Saturday. As this front starts to get closer to us on Monday morning, the winds will relax a little bit. I think the rain chances stay to the north of us for the first half of Monday. And as this front kind of drops in, eases through the coastal bend, we'll see scattered activity Monday afternoon, night, and maybe lingering into early Tuesday morning with the front passing us by. It's going to be a weak one, mid 80s before it comes in Monday night into Tuesday. Just a modest drop in temperature, 80 degrees for a high on Tuesday, with temperatures at night staying in the mid to upper 60s. We'll see that little chance for a spot shower in the morning leading up to Monday, but Monday evening into early Tuesday morning, that looks to be the best chance for a shower or thunderstorm. It'll only be scattered though. I don't think everyone gets it, and the totals are not going to be overly impressive either. I think a tenth to about a quarter of an inch on average. Some locations may get a touch more than that, but it's not looking like a drought busting type of rain setup for us this time around. We're going to have clouds tonight, mid to low 70s, a spot shower possible first thing tomorrow morning. We'll end up with some sunshine in mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. Tonight 73, some passing clouds, southeast wind 10 to 20. It'll be pretty windy tomorrow, 15 to 30 mile per hour winds, mid 80s in the afternoon with some afternoon sunshine. With that wind present, small craft need to be using caution on the water. High risk for rip currents on Gulf facing beaches and some minor coastal flooding. A coastal flood advisory going to be in effect until 7 p.m. tomorrow, so water may be up to the dunes in spots, and the most likely time for the flooding will occur around the high tide times, which will be close to noontime at Bob Hall Pier and in Port Aransas. Similar weather for the weekend, a mix of sun and clouds, breezy, warm, and humid Saturday, Sunday. There's the front Monday night into Tuesday with a little chance for rain with it, and a high temperature of 80 on Tuesday behind the front. Mike?
All right, thank you, Al.